Good morning. Our next practice is pranayama practice, or in other words, breath work. We are going to use an ancient yogis practice, early morning practice of extension of our breath, extension our life force to connect with the divine. Please bring your palms together and just take your time. Start feel your palms. Just feel your hands connected. Maybe check every finger on your hands. Bring your focus there. Now please send your attention to your feet. Spread your toes wide, connect your feet to the floor, making your feet longer and wider. Move towards the edge of your chair, ground your pelvic towards the chair, and on your inhale, just simply bring your chest above your pelvic. Elongate through your spine, bring your chin slightly in with your head above your chest. Close your eyes, bring your optical focus towards your third eye center, and relax your facial muscles. On your next inhale, start elongating your breath. Inhale in your low abdominal, your low lungs, your upper lungs. Hold your breath. When you're ready to let go, slowly, consciously exhale from your upper lungs, your low lungs. Bring your navel in and up, forcing stale energy, stale air out. Now lift your hands towards your forehead and with the tips of your thumbs gently press against the base of your eyebrows. Find the pressure points there. With your head gently leaning against your thumbs, keep your heart lifted, please. And go ahead, take another long, deep, conscious inhale in your low abdominal, your low lungs, your upper lungs. Hold it. And then when you're ready to let go, slowly, consciously exhale, release, let go. Keep breathing. On your inhalation, lifting and expanding yourself. On your exhalation, releasing, letting go, emptying yourself, and expanding even more with this emptiness. Roll your eyes in and up. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center, the point between your eyebrows. Connecting with your intuitive mind. Connecting with your true self. Long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. Facial muscles relaxed, eyes closed. Optical focus towards your third eye center, towards your temple. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly release your arms down, placing top of your hands on your laps. Join your index and thumbs together, connecting with your inner knowledge. Facial muscles relaxed, optical focus towards your third eye center. Long, deep, conscious inhale, lifting and expanding yourself, connecting with yourself. Long, deep, conscious exhale, releasing, letting go, letting God. You may silently start chanting, inhale, I, and exhale, am. Keeping your breath long and deep. With every inhalation, expanding your breath even more. One more long deep breath. Inhale, expanding, connecting with the divine. Exhale, releasing, letting go, opening your temple door. Let's go ahead, another breath. Inhale, allowing divine energy to enter, connecting, lifting, and exhale, release, let go. Release your mudra, turn your palms face down, and on your inhale, start leaning forward, send your heart forward, opening your chest. Exhale, collapse your chest, pull your navel in, engage your buttocks, tuck your tailbone under, curving your spine. Inhale, opening your heart forward, leaning forward, exhale, back. Keep going. Just simply follow your breath. On your inhalation, opening your heart forward, and exhalation, collapsing your chest, opening your heart center, warming up your spinal column, balancing your nervous system. Inhale, expanding your abdominal. Exhale, contracting your abdominal muscles, warming up your digestive system. Breathing in and out of your nose. Just few more times to go. You may go a little bit faster. Start creating more internal heat in your body. One more breath, one more time. Inhale forward, exhale, curving, leaning back. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. And on your next inhale, if your eyes are closed, slowly open your eyes. Soft gaze forward. Bring your chin slightly in, elongating through your neck even more. Only eyes, please. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Last time down. Soft gaze, far away forward. Lift your heart, drop your shoulders down. Only eyes, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Last time left. Soft gaze, forward please. Keep breathing. Only eyes, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down. One more time. Circle please. Stretching your eye muscles. Once more. Soft gaze forward. Only eyes, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down. One more time. And circle please. One more time. Soft gaze forward. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, drop your arms down. Turn your palms out. And on your next inhale, rise your arms. Reach up, connect your palms, stretch yourself. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Elongate through your spine. Drop your shoulders down. On your next inhale, turn your head to your left. And exhale, go to your right. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. Just simply follow your breath. Turning your head to your left on your inhalation and turning your head to your right on your exhalation. Keep breathing, please, keeping your lower abdominal engaged, using your upper chest breathing. And keep following your breath. Inhale and exhale out of your nose. One more time. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head to your heart. With your heart lifted through your nose, long, deep, conscious inhale, please. Through your mouth with HA sound. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go everything out. Engage your abdominal using your upper chest breathing. On your next inhale, start rotating your head over your right shoulder, up. Exhale, left and down. Keep going, follow your breath. Breathing in and out of your nose. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Optical focus towards your third eye center. allowing your breath to guide you. Releasing tension from your neck, from your shoulders, opening your spinal column. One more breath. Finishing with your head to your heart. With your heart lifted, again long deep inhale through your nose, please. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale, release, let go everything out, engage your abdominal. On your next inhale, reverse direction with your head. One more breath. One more roll with your head, finishing with your head to your heart lifted. And once more through your nose, long deep inhale. Through your mouth, exhale, release, let go everything out. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale. On your next inhale, slowly unroll your head. Exhale, drop your arms down. And inhale, open yourself, lift, reach, connect, gaze up, stretch. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Our next practice is a Kriya Yoga practice. Welcome on your mat. Separate your feet apart. Soften your knees. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest, and then you inhale, opening your palms out. Lift your arms up, connect your palms together, stretch yourself. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale again, open, lift, reach, connect. Soft knees, exhale, bow down, drop your head. Inhale and roll up. Reach up, connect your palms. Exhale to your heart. Again, inhale, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, simply bow, surrender down. Inhale, unroll, lift, connect. Exhale to your heart. Last time, please. Inhale. And exhale, stay down this time. Keep your knees soft, wave yes and no with your head. Relaxing your neck, relaxing your head down. One more breath. Now your next inhale in the center. Exhale, press your left foot down. Send energy up your leg. Guide your left hip back with your torso twist to your right side. Stay here, please. Long, deep breath. Stretching, opening, exposing left side of your body right now. Inhale, exhale. One more breath. And on your next inhale, come back in the center. Exhale in the center. Inhale again. Exhale, start pressing your right foot down. Send energy up your leg. Maybe even pull your kneecap up. Press in front of your leg back, guiding your right hip back. And with your torso twist and open to your left. Keep breathing. Long deep breath. Stretching, opening your right side. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center. Both knees soft. Exhale, pull your navel in. And on your inhale, keeping your abdominal engaged to support your low back, slowly unroll up. Guide your tailbone down, your shoulders up, your neck, your head. Opening yourself. Lift, reach, connect, stretch yourself, hold your breath. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. Long, deep breath. Keeping your palms pressed with about 10 pounds pressure. Check your weight. Your weight is evenly between your right and left, front and back of your feet. Bring yourself in the present moment. Inhale, elongating, lifting. And exhale, releasing, letting go, connecting yourself, grounding even more. Lifting on your next inhale even more. Strong, centered, and balanced. One more breath. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, drop your arms. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. And inhale, stretch your arms out, reaching away from your heart center. With your heart lifted, with your shoulders down. Inhale, lift your fingers up. And exhale, down. Keep going. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Follow your breath in and out of your nose. Simply inhale, exhale. Start engaging your navel center, maybe slightly expanding your abdominal on your inhalation and contracting your abdominal, pulling your navel in on your exhalation. One more time. Inhale, reach. Only wrists, please, right now. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbows, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full circle inhale, exhale. Inhale, change cross of your arms, exhale. One more time. And then we're going to reverse. Cross on the bottom, lift, open yourself, pressing everything down. Inhale, exhale, follow your breath. One more time, finishing with your arms out, elbows please. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wrists, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your palms up, reach with your arms, engage in your shoulder blades, lift your heart, lift your gaze up, open yourself. And exhale, fold your thumbs in, cover your thumbs, turn your palms down, drop your head to your heart. Inhale again, open, lift. And exhale, simply surrender. Keep your heart lifted. One more time. Inhale, keep stretching your arms. And exhale, surrender, keep stretching your arms. Inhale, open, spread your fingers, lift your arms, connect your palms. And exhale, join your fingers together, bring your hands to your heart, close your eyes. One more breath. Inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, release your arms down, shake. Engage your low abdominal, slightly engage your buttocks. Keep your low body grounded, your heart lifted. Inhale, shoulders up. And exhale, drop down, in, out. Just simply breathing in and out of your nose, lifting your shoulders high and dropping them deep down. Releasing tension, stiffness from your shoulders, from your neck, from your upper back area. Releasing, dropping everything off your shoulders. In, out, in, out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your shoulders down, heavy arms. Close your eyes, elongate, reach even higher up with your crown, with your heart, allowing your shoulders, your arms to sink even deeper down, allowing tension and stress go down your arms, exiting your body. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes, turn your palms out, open yourself, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. And inhale, stretch your arms out. Exhale, palms forward, fold your forefingers in, thumbs facing up. Inhale, reach even more. Maybe even slightly take your arms back, opening your chest. And exhale, bend your elbows. Inhale, exhale, keep going, in, out, in, out. Just simply follow your breath. Can maybe engage in your abdominal little bit more. Just 4, 3, 2. Last time. Inhale, stretch your arms up, spread your fingers, hold your breath. And just simply turn your palms out, pressing, releasing everything down. Slowly take your arms down. Roll your shoulders. Follow your breath. Inhale, please. Exhale one more time. And now change direction of your roll. One more time. Roll your shoulders back now, heart lifted, turn your palms out, inhale, lift your arms up, keep them parallel this time, turn your palms face forward, drop your shoulders down, chin in, crown reaching up, tailbone down, join your index and thumbs together, inhale, reach even higher, exhale, pull your elbows down, inhale, and exhale, give yourself a nice hug, in, out. Keep breathing in and out of your nose and just simply follow your breath in, out. Four more times. 4, 3, 2. Last time. Give yourself a nice hug. Lift your heart, crown reaching up. Shift your weight over to your left. Lift your right knee up and take your right leg down. Left and down. Keep going. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Keep engaging your navel center, especially on your exhalation. Now pull your navel in. Also, please focus on your standing leg. When you exhale, your knee comes up, standing leg engages even more. Engage your buttock, maybe pull your kneecap up, strong and balanced, even on one leg. Keep going in, out, in, out. One more time for each leg. Next time when you reach up, lift your knee up and exhale, take your leg down, hug yourself. Again, inhale, exhale, in, out. Bring your focus to your knee, lifting your knee almost as high as your arms could reach. Keep breathing. Follow your breath. One more time for each leg. Inhale, stretch your arms, spread your fingers, close your eyes. Keep reaching, exhale. Inhale, contract your rectum, pull your navel in, chin in, lift, pull your life force energy. Keep reaching, exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. One more time. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale, turn your palms out. Slowly take your arms down. Close your eyes. Connect with your long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, place your hands on your abdominal. Maybe separate your feet a little bit wider. Soften your knees. And inhale, expand your abdominal. And exhale, contract. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale. Oxygenating every internal organ with your inhalation. Cleansing your toxins out of your body with every exhalation. Squeezing, releasing stale energy out. One more time. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract. Inhale, keep your heart lifted. Exhale, hinging from the hips, lean forward. Place your hands on your knees, on your thighs, and relax your head down. Keep your knees soft through your nose. Long, deep inhale. Through your nose, long, deep exhale. Pull your navel in. Feel your abdominal muscles pressed against your low back. Inhale, expand. Exhale. In long, deep inhale. And now through your mouth, exhale. Stick your tongue out. And start breathing in and out of your mouth. Start slow, please. Keep connection with your navel center, pumping your navel in and out, in and out. Panting as a dog. Maybe when you're ready, start speeding up now. Inhale through your nose. Through your nose, exhale. Pull your navel in. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Through your mouth, exhale, tongue is out. through your nose, inhale. Through your nose, exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Long deep through your nose. Exhale. Pull your navel in. This time hold your exhalation. Pump your navel in and out while you're holding your exhalation. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Pull your navel in. Hold. Start pumping. Last set. Inhale. Exhale everything out. Pull your navel in. Hold your breath. In and out. In and out. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your head. Drop your arms down. Stay where you are without reaching down, without bending down, without going down too much. On your next inhale, slowly unroll up. Remember, bring your chest above your pelvic, your head slowly, this time even slower. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Let's go ahead, do it 2 more times. Inhale, open, lift your arms up, connect your palms. Exhale, bring it to your heart. 1 more time, please. Inhale. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. One more breath. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, release your arms, shake. And go ahead, step forward with your right leg, step back with your left. Make sure your right foot facing straight forward. Your left foot 45 degrees angle forward. Inhale, bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest, and exhale, bend your right knee, and just simply allow your weight, allow energy go down right now. Inhale, lift, and exhale, place your left hand on your hip. Let's go ahead, guide our hip. Changing position of your pelvic for 3 breaths. Inhale, guide your left hip forward towards your right knee. And exhale, open to the side. Again, with your left hand, inhale, guide forward. And exhale, open. 1 more time, engage your buttock, please. Left hand guiding your left hip. And exhale, open to the side. Keep your weight lifted above your pelvic. Keep your heart lifted, crown reaching up, tailbone down. Inhale, open your arms, turn your palms face out, and fold your forefingers in a fist. Thumbs facing up. Inhale, reach with your arms even more. Exhale, turn your head direction of your right arm. Inhale, reach again, and exhale, bend your left elbow, maybe go a little bit deeper down. Focus on your nail, on your thumb. Long, deep breath. Breathing in and out of your nose. And on your next inhale, please inhale even longer and deeper and start breath of fire. Exhale through your nose and keep going with a short amount of breath in and out of your nose, pumping your navel in and out. You can go as slow or as fast as it feels right for you. Facial muscles relaxed, focused but soft gaze. Remember, if you have high blood pressure, stay with your long, deep breath in this position. Inhale long and deep. Contract your rectum, pull your navel in, your chin slightly in, lift, pull, exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull, exhale. One more time, inhale. Contract, lift, pull, and exhale. Extend your arms, bring your feet parallel, stretch out first, and then slowly bow down. Keep your eyes open. Focus on one spot on your mat. Just simply meditate on this spot. Long deep breath. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominals, slowly unroll up. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Let's go ahead, sweep arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bring it to your heart, center yourself, and go ahead, turn your left foot out, facing back, right foot 45 degrees angle. Inhale, lift your chest, exhale, bend your left knee. Send energy down your spine. On your inhale, lift now up above your waist. Release your right hand on your right hip. And on your inhale, guide your right hip direction of your left leg. And exhale, open. Keep going. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Let's go ahead. Exhale. Stay open. Inhale. Lift your heart. Exhale. Extend your arms and maybe go a little bit deeper down. Turn your palms face out. Fold your forefingers in a fist. Thumbs up. Inhale. Reach. Exhale. Turn your head. Gaze towards your left thumb. Bend your right elbow. Reaching with your elbow back. Long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. Gazing at your nail. Focused. Connected. Strong. Powerful. Next inhale long and deep. Start breath of fire. Energizing, detoxifying, strengthening. Long deep inhale, contract, lift, pull. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. One more time. Contract, lift, pull, hold it. And exhale, release, extend your arms, extend through both legs, pivot on your feet, feet parallel. Inhale, reach, exhale, keeping your eyes open, bow down. Relax your neck, relax your head. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale in the center. Exhale, walk towards your right leg. With your right hand, hold your ankle and gently pull yourself towards your leg. Long, deep breath. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center and exhale, change sides. Now with your left hand, hold your left ankle and gently pull yourself towards your leg. Keep breathing. One more breath. On your next inhale, walk back in the center. Exhale, soft knees, engage your abdominal. Slowly inhale and roll up. Bring your chest above your pelvic. Slowly your head above your chest. Open your palms out. Inhale, lift, reach, connect. Exhale to your heart. Walk your feet together. Bring your feet together. And again, inhale, open. Lift, reach, connect. Hold your breath. Stretch. Exhale to your heart. 2 more times, please. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. And exhale. Release your arms, shake them, kick your legs, and please lie down on your mat, on your back. Walk your feet towards your buttocks. Keep your feet parallel, hip width apart. Place your arms beside of you with your palms facing down and with your arms actively reaching down. On your inhale, expand your abdominal, arch your low back. Exhale, pull your navel in. Elongate through your spine, press your low back down. Keep going. Inhale. And exhale. Follow your breath. Inhale, expanding your abdominal. Exhale, contracting your abdominal, pressing your low back down. 4 more breaths, 4 more times. Let's go ahead, do it one more time together. Exhale, pull your navel in, press your low back down, keep your buttocks slightly active, your tailbone teeny tiny bit off the floor. On your inhale, sweep your arms up and reach up over your head. Keep reaching, keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. One more breath. Inhale, reach, exhale, clasp your hands, lift your head, place your hands behind your head to support it. Inhale in this position and exhale, pull your navel in, curl up, squeezing your lower ribs towards your hip bones. Keep going, inhale down and exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. 4 more times, 4, 3, pull your navel in when you exhale. 2, last time. Curl up and stay up. Chin slightly in, keeping your abdominal active. Inhale, exhale, lift your right knee up. Inhale, exhale, lift your left. Inhale, exhale, extend your right leg straight up. Inhale, exhale, left. Check your head. Your head is resting in your hands. Your chin slightly in, back of your neck elongated, and your shoulders dropped down. Connect your heels together and open your toes out, joining your legs together even tighter. Inhale, take your legs down, engaging your buttocks. Exhale, pull your navel in, especially low part of your abdominal, below your navel, lifting your legs up. Inhale, exhale, engage your abdominal, lift your legs up. Keep going. Inhale and exhale, pull your navel in. Please remember to go with your legs only as low as your low back allows you. Keeping your low back connected to the floor and just follow your breath. Inhale down, 4, exhale, engage your abdominal, lift up, 3, exhale up, 2 more to go. Last time. Inhale, reach with your legs up. Exhale, bend your knees and roll down. Elbows out, releasing your elbows on the floor. Chin in, long spine, legs together, circles with your knees, rolling on your low back. Follow your breath. One more time. Reverse to the other side. One more time. Pull your knees up, inhale, exhale, curl up. Inhale, extend your right leg up. Inhale, exhale, extend your left. Slowly take your legs down. Please again go as slow as your low back allows you and stay here. Inhale, reach, exhale, bend your knees, pull them in. One more breath. And on your inhale, extend your legs forward. In the previous position, hold it. Inhale, reach even further with your legs. Exhale, bend your knees in. One more breath, and we're going to do last set. Inhale, extend your legs. Hold it, keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, pull your knees in. Slowly unroll down, release your feet down. Elongate through your spine, release your arms down, place your arms beside of you, palms up. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, open your knees out. Join soles of your feet together, long deep breath. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, lift your right leg. Bring your right leg on the top of your left. Twisting your legs to your left. With your upper body open to your right. Roll your head towards your right shoulder. Long deep breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, engage your abdominal. Come back in the center. One more breath in the center. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your left knee. Place it on the top of your right. Twisting your legs to your right with your upper body opening to your left. Roll your head towards your left shoulder. Long deep breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, elongate your abdominal. Lift your knee up. Come back in the center. One long deep breath in the center. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your left leg up again and roll on your right side completely using your right upper arm as a pillow, left palm on the floor. Take one long, deep, conscious breath. If you have socks, sweatshirts, or blankets for the final part of your practice, please go ahead, take your time, get what you need. Come back on your mat for your Savasana. For the relaxation time, this is very special time of your practice, time for your body to restore, to heal itself. Come back on your mat, lie down on your back, take time to elongate through your spine. Place your arms beside of you with your palms facing up to receive. Separate your legs apart. Also make sure that your arms slightly away from your body. Inhale, turn your head to your left. Exhale to your right. Elongate through your neck. Come back in the center. And exhale. Inhale, point your toes down. Contract your feet, your ankles. Contract your calves. Pull your kneecaps up. Engage in front of your legs. Engage in back of your legs. Engage your buttocks. And just simply hold tension in your lower body right now. Try to keep your upper body as much relaxed as possible. Squeezing even more, tighten even more. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Hold it. Keep holding tension in your lower body. Make fists with your hands. Contract your arm muscles, your abdominal, your back. Lift your shoulders up. Squeeze your face. Squeeze it, keep squeezing, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now squeeze whole your body. And starting with your toes, release your toes. Now release your fingers, keeping your legs and arms tense. Release your ankles, your calves, buttocks, front, back of your legs. Keeping your abdominal and back slightly tense. Release your arms, relax your shoulders down. Release your abdominal, your back, soften your facial muscles. Eyes closed with your optical focus towards your third eye center. Allow your facial muscles to relax even more. Take long, deep, conscious inhale. Hold it. And on your exhale, release, let go. Again, long, deep inhale. Exhale, allow your body to release, to let go, to melt down towards the floor. Last time, long, deep inhale. Hold it. And exhale, release, let go, let God. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your legs up and rolling on your low back. Come on your right side completely. Use your right upper arm as a pillow. Place your left palm down on the floor in front of your heart center. With your closed eyes, optical focus towards your third eye center, please take long, deep inhale and long, deep conscious exhale. Keep breathing, allowing all that wonderful energy that you created during your morning practice today settle in your body. On your next inhale, very gently press yourself up in the cross-legged seated position, allowing your head, the last part of the body, the last part that comes up. Rock from side to side. Find middle part of your buttocks. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest, elongate through your spine. Place your arms on your knees with your palms up. Join your index and thumbs together. Eyes closed, optical focus towards your third eye center. We're going to finish our practice this morning with the 3 gratitude breaths. Gratitude to yourself for being here this morning. Through your nose, please take a long, deep inhale. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale, release, let go. Through your nose again, inhale. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale, release, let go everything out. One more breath, inhale through your nose, silently chanting I. Through your mouth, exhale, Through your mouth, inhale, I. And through your nose, exhale, Inhale, lift your heart, open your eyes. Exhale, release your mudra. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Gaze up, connect your palms. Exhale, twist and open to your right. Inhale, lift your heart up, lift your gaze up. Exhale, bow down. Back in the center. Open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale to your left. Inhale. Exhale, bow down. Back in the center. Open, lift, reach, connect. Keep reaching. Exhale. Inhale, open your eyes wide. Spread your fingers wide. Exhale, soften your gaze. Join your fingers together. Bring your hands to your heart. Bow down. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Thank you so very much for practicing. Namaste.